Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon, or whether or not it is possible for you to do. So now you must be wondering, can you really withdraw your crypto from this particular Crypto Miner Tycoon app? So the answer is no. This is a simulation that is designed for entertainment only. The in-game earnings might look real, but they hold no actual value. There are many players that think that they can transfer their virtual earnings to a bank account or their crypto wallet, but that's not possible. Unlike play to earn games that reward real cryptocurrency, Crypto Miner Tycoon is purely for fun. There is no withdrawal option available here. So if you are looking to earn real crypto through gaming, you will need to explore the legit platforms, but always do your own research before investing into your time and your money. So hope this cleared up the confusion. So if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more crypto insights. I will see you in the next one.